We're on this data drives the world journey together, where consumers expect instant everything and businesses are constantly evolving to keep up. Your customers need real-time connectivity to all their data, systems, and applications to build what consumers expect. This allows them to innovate, grow, compete, and excel. And this continuous need for ever fresher data should be seen as a massive opportunity for your business. The key to unlocking that opportunity lies within data streaming. Allow your customers to build high-value real-time use cases, accelerate consumption and growth across your platform, and enter the market rapidly with an expert partner, Confluent. Hello, I'm Sean Clowes, Chief Product Officer at Confluent, and I'm thrilled to announce the launch of our new Connect with Confluent partner program. Data streaming is the fuel powering today's innovators and high-growth businesses, allowing them to meet modern consumer expectations for real-time everything. And it introduces a net new revenue stream for you, one that's set to massively increase over time. Market intelligence firm IDC predicts that nearly 30% of data generated by 2025 will be real-time in nature. If tomorrow you could power real-time end-to-end streaming use cases with no requirements for data at rest pit stops, why wouldn't you? Well, there's no need to wait. The Connect with Confluent partner program allows you to bring the world's largest collection of data streams directly to your customers' doorsteps, from right within your own application where they're already working. Created by Confluent's founders and leveraged by more than 70% of the Fortune 500, Apache Kafka has become the de facto standard for real-time data streaming. But open source Kafka alone is not enough. It tasks businesses with major operational burdens while they seek to scale the technology for mission-critical use. Confluent completely reinvented Kafka for the cloud as a fully managed service. We're trusted world over by some of the savviest and largest digital-first corporations. They innovate faster, reduce their TCO, and keep their best people out of Kafka ops. We are the data streaming leader. But what we offer goes far beyond just Kafka. With Confluent, you're giving your customers the best, most complete experience for working with data streams. And that means they spend less time and money managing Kafka and more time building in your application. Elastic scalability, infinite data retention, a 99.99% uptime SLA, predictable low latency performance, in-flight stream processing, security and governance, and more. It's all there, right out of the box, ready for use by your customers through a single integration with our cloud-native data streaming platform. Not to mention instant zero-code connectivity to each of their apps and data systems. Confluent provides more than 120 pre-built source and sync connectors, covering the entire Kafka ecosystem, with more than 70 provided fully managed. No more waiting around for customers to build every individual Kafka integration. We've got them already on the shelf. And best of all, Confluent is available everywhere the data and apps reside, in the cloud, across clouds, and on premises. Your potential to power boost growth, consumption, and your customers' overall success with streaming data is virtually unlimited with Confluent. And as new capabilities within this space develop, which they will, you'll be at the forefront, offering them to your customers instantly through us. From support and services to marketing and sales, data streaming is what we do. We're out in front with all of it. You should be with us. Here's a look at who's already growing their business as part of the Connect with Confluent program. It all comes down to this: the best customer experience for working with data streams, embedded right within your application, supported by the Kafka experts, keeping customers on track to build and deploy what puts them on the map, makes them stand out, and keeps them successful. Together with us, you'll empower customers, supercharge your go-to-market, and free your internal team from the burdens and shortcomings of an open source integration. There's no time to be standing still. Stream with Confluent and stream with confidence.